can't wait to see the 69 Camaro, get that, because I know it's probably going to be similar to the CUDA setup,
Yeah.
where it has that cross member that goes up in there and that mounts to the frame rails. So if that's the case and the links drop down, it's going to be, and the best part about it, it uses the existing hardware, like where the leaf springs would go, that's where your lower
Yeah.
control arms would go. And
Right.
it's a beautiful setup.
Yeah, we're super excited. There is well, I guess the CUDA setup too. There is a little bit of welding on the
Well,
Camaro setup, but
yeah,
overall, like it should be a relatively easy install.
no, it's a little bit of welding. You got to weld the what's it called, the frame rails. That's it. But you got the little holes openings and just plug them in. And then if you want, I'm paranoid, so I just stitch all the, I just make it because I want it to look really good. So
Right.
by the way, the CUDA is going to Mopar Nationals in July. So we're getting all the sheet metal ready.